Has your mother ever fed you some almonds before your exam so that you perform at your best? Well, most mothers do, but the question remains, which foods are scientifically shown to improve our mental performance? So in this video, I'll be sharing 5 brain foods that are scientifically shown to improve our memory, our learning capacity, and our mental performance, along with the research that has been done to prove this. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. If you're new here, I'm Emma Alam, the World Memory Champion, World Speed Reading Champion, World Mind Mapping Champion in the junior category, as well as holder of 2 Guinness World Records. And here on YouTube, I share quick and effective tips on memory, reading, learning, and much more. And so if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. The first brain food are blueberries. Now, blueberries do 2 things for the brain. Number 1, they contain flavonoids, which have an anti-inflammatory effect on the brain. Now, this repairs cell damage and helps improve blood flow to important parts of the brain. And number 2, these berries cause the increase in the number of neurons in our brain. This is a process called neurogenesis, and this process is extremely important to protect our brain from aging and from brain diseases such as dementia and Alzheimer's, as well as to keep our brain fitness in top shape. Moving on to the second brain food, which is turmeric. Now, before scientists had studied the brain and the process of neurons properly, it was thought that once you've grown up, you can't grow any new neurons in your brain. But recent research has shown that you, in fact, can grow new neurons and can continue to do that if you take care of your lifestyle, which includes your food, exercise, sleep, your mental health, etc. And so you can do that by having these brain foods, such as turmeric, which contains curcumin, which is an antioxidant that helps protect the brain from aging, as well as helps the growth of new neurons in your brain. And a plus point is that it helps the release of chemicals in your brain, such as serotonin and dopamine, which help you feel good. Now, the third brain food is dark chocolate. Now, these are not only delicious to eat, but these also contain flavonoids, which help grow new neurons, as well as improve blood flow to vital parts of the brain that are used in memory and learning, such as the hippocampus. Now, please note that the chocolate that you eat should be more than 70% cocoa, because normal chocolates that are less than 70% cocoa usually contain more of milk, added sugars, and preservatives, which are harmful for the brain. The fourth brain food is oranges. Now, having 1 orange contains all the vitamin C you need in 1 day. Additionally, when you have a higher level of vitamin C in your blood, you're able to learn, memorize, and concentrate much more effectively. There was a study done on adults showing that those who had regularly fresh orange juice, they were able to perform better on cognitive and memory-related tests. Additionally, these yummy fruits contain the flavonoid hesperidin, which is rarely found in anything else other than citrus. So that makes this a good source for this brain-boosting flavonoid. The fifth and last brain food are green leafy vegetables. Now, we all know that these are really good for the body, but did you know that they're really good and powerful for the brain as well? These include lettuce, spinach, cabbage, kale, etc. Now, these are all very dense in nutrients such as fiber, folate, vitamin K, and vitamin C. Now, specifically, folate is a vitamin that helps the function of neurotransmitters in our brain, which are chemical messengers that work inside our brain to help our mood function, our brain function, our cognition, and even learning. Now, additionally, folate also helps reduce levels of the stress hormone in our body known as cortisol, and instead increase the levels of serotonin, which helps us feel happy and reduces the risk of depression. So make sure to incorporate these 5 foods into your daily diet for a more fit, more agile, and healthier brain. Now, if you are interested in watching more videos like this, and if you want to learn how to memorize information 10 times faster and remember it with much more ease, then you can watch this video right here that I posted last week. And in this, I teach you how to memorize information from your study materials 10 times faster. That was all for this one. I will see you in the next video, and until then, be happy and be joyful.